Hello there. So you want to know how you can block users on your Twitch account? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Whether it's blocking people on your own stream or on other people's stream, it's literally the same thing. So let me just go ahead and give you a little demo on this stream, which is live right now. So for example, if someone is writing something and spamming something and then you don't like that person, maybe it's a hate comment towards you or some sort of things just like that, all you need to do is just simply go ahead and click on their profile icon. Once you've clicked on their profile icon, it's going to show you right over here. Click on this triple dot icon and then click on block that username name. So that is about it. Simply go ahead and click on block and they will be blocked once you go ahead and click it. As you can see, blocking them will simply prevent them from sending you whispers, prevent them from hosting you, prevent them from purchasing gifts, subs for other users in your channel, filter their messages out of chats you don't moderate, and then also prevent them from viewing your live broadcast. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.